Hello everyone, welcome to the third section. In this section, I'm going to teach you the functions of select, find, and replace. Task selection function can help us quickly select the specified content in a document. Its location is at the beginning of the menu bar, Select. There are four options: Select All, Select Objects, Select Table with dashed borders, Selection Pane. Select All is to select the full text, or use the shortcut key Ctrl-A directly, and click any area to cancel clicking. There are some other text selection shortcuts. Place the cursor at the beginning of the line and press Shift and down to select a line of text. Place the cursor at the beginning of the line and press Ctrl Shift down to select a paragraph. If we want to select objects, we can easily check all text boxes. Right-click Grouping to move freely. When we want to select the table area contained in the text, it's easy to select other text areas. Let's check the Select table with dashed borders. You can select the table area in the document. Then I would like to introduce the Find and Replace. It can help us to calculate the number of specified characters, mark the characters, modify the content of the document, and quickly locate the content we want. Its location is at Home tab, and the shortcut key is Ctrl-H. Suppose we want to know the number of characters in the document. Enter Luo in the search bar. You can see here the number of times that Luo appears. Suppose we want to label a character in the document, you can use the highlight feature. If we want to replace all the Luo to Zhang, we can use the replace function. Suppose we want to navigate to a page of the document, click Go to locate the target page. Enter page number 2. We can see there are also many options, including table and graphs. This function is very practical in long documents. This is the end of this section. Thank you.